Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to change domain names of email column. So this is my emp underscore details table where email is one of the column. So if you see there are three different types of emails are there. So example.com, company.com, sample.org. Now I want to replace example.com with company.com. So wherever there is example.com, I want to replace with company.com. So after executing the query, you cannot find any example.com in the table. So that is my logic. So for that, I am writing update statement. Update your table name, set your column name equal to. So here I am writing replace function. Replace takes three arguments. First one is email, that is expression. Next, so you need to search for the expression in the email column. So here I am searching for the example.com. I am searching for example.com in the email. Now I want to replace with company.com. So here I am searching for example.com in the email column and replace with company.com. So once again make sure there are three example.coms, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Once you update and you can see you didn't see any example.com. Everything is replaced with the company.com. Suppose if you want to change only particular employee domain name, then you can use where clause. Suppose I want to change the domain name of ID number 1 with gmail.com. Okay, set email equal to John DOE at gmail.com where ID equal to 1. So now only one row affected, and check this one. So this is how you need to update your domain names using replace function. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.